Guys, in this video, we will be learning NumPy sorting array in Python. We will see what is ndarray.sort function. We will be taking an example of one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. We will also see what is access, order, and kind parameter with these functions. I'm using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Before getting started with anything, you have to install NumPy library on your computer. If you have not yet installed it, you have to type in one command on your command prompt, or you have to open the terminal of your PyCharm editor. From here, you have to type in one command, that is pip install NumPy. After installing NumPy library on your computer, you can start using this library. So let's get started with the tutorial. What is sorting? Sorting means putting element in an ordered sequence, right? Ordered sequence is any sequence that has an order corresponding to element like numeric or alphabetical, ascending or descending. The NumPy ndarray object has a function called sort, right? First, we have to import NumPy library. We have to create a array quickly. Then we have to apply just a short function on this array, right? First, try to print the array. Just see the type. Okay, let's in the program. You will see the type is ndarray, and these are our ndarray elements. Okay, now we have to use sort function on ndarray. Just call array1 dot sort function, right? Print the array again, so you will get an your sorted array, right? Previously it was unsorted. You can see 3 was at last. What is kind parameter on sort function? So we can use quick sort, merge sort, heap sort, and stable, right? So this parameter is optional in this function. By default, its value is quick sort. So we can use kind. We can specify this value in a string. Okay, if you're in the program, so it will not take any impact. Output is same. The output will be the same. The only difference is it will take the algorithm in the backend, which actually based on the optimization of searching techniques, right? So this is our one-dimensional array. If you take two-dimensional array, then let's see how sorting works. If I want to apply sort function on this and you provide the access equals to 0, print this array 2, okay, array 2 and array 2, even the type of this array 2. Let's in the program. So you will get a sorted two-dimensional array. If you see here, axis 0 means this will take column, means this is as a column like 6 and 12 and 4 and 5 like this, right? You see, if you make 6 here and 5 here, then it will take 5 and 6. Okay, so this way axis works. If you make it 1, then it will sort your arrays, your axis in rows like 6 and 12 you see, and 5 and 6 in your other element. Okay, so this is how axis works. Okay, if you put 1, it will work left to right in a row. If you put 0, it will work top to bottom like a column, right? So this is what access means. Okay, if you use the order parameter of this sorting function, we have to define multiple columns, multiple fields, right, with our structured array. So let me take new array, right, array 3, John, and his age would 30, right? And we can close this array, right? And we can specify the type, means the data type of our fields, right? If you now sort your array 3, then you can use your order, right? Order would be, let's say, age. Okay, then print your array 3, right? If we run the program, so you will get the order of your data would be sorted, right? So you see that is 30 and 40, it is already sorted. But if we make that is 50, right? And this another record is 40, then your data, your array would be sorted, right? If you see now, this Anthony name came first, right? And the John came last, right? Because order has worked here on age field name, right? Which you have taken here as a int, right? So how this order applies, if you make the order is name, then your sorting will be applied on a name field, that would be John and Anthony. It would be sorted on John and Anthony, so you will get Anthony record first, right? You see, even after if we take its age 60, still it will appear at first. You see, if I change this name and then I run the program, so John would be appear first, because as per the sorting, as per the order, John should be first, right? Because we have taken a name as a order. Okay, so this is how order works. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.